Now, Channel 3 early morning weather with meteorologist Mike Cameron.
We are expecting scattered showers around, more of them as the day goes on. But even this morning, we're seeing a few now in early morning pinpoint Doppler. And as we get into the later part of the morning, we'll see a few more of them. And then as the day goes on, it turns into a steady rain. All of that's part of the weather headlines this morning. This general trend to see more rain as the day goes on. More of us will just see dry weather this morning, but I got to say, when I looked at early morning pinpoint Doppler, you can see now that we are starting to see some showers on the map. You can see most of this is light. I think a lot of this is having a hard time reaching the ground. It's what we call virga, where you have the raindrops that are falling from the sky and then they hit a dry patch of air and then they just can't reach the ground. Where we're probably seeing these showers actually with a little bit more success is in areas across southwestern Connecticut. You can see towards Danbury, also towards Milford. We're seeing some of these showers at this point. And some of these actually are a little bit more intense as you look towards parts of Fairfield County. You can see that there's this one little area of downpour near Wilton and New Canaan. So there are some heavier downpours to speak of across that part of the state. And some of that is lifting to the north and to the east. So it is true that we could see a few isolated showers this morning. I'd say the better chance as the atmosphere moistens up is in the afternoon as that system brings a swath of rain that's basically over Washington, D.C. closer to us. So our futurecast does indicate that we'll see a few of these spotty showers through the course of the morning, especially during the late morning. That's when it's painting on a few of these things. You can see here's noontime with our futurecast. We take you into the afternoon. Here's 3 o'clock. We're still seeing at least scattered showers. This may even be a little bit underdone, I think. And then as time goes into the later part of the afternoon and evening, you can see we see a lot of rain with even some downpours possible as we head in through the nighttime hours and into Monday morning, here 6 a.m. Then Monday comes and we do have scattered showers still in the forecast, but not only of rain, but in the higher elevations there could even be some snow mixing in. This probably is to the exclusion of Hartford and all of the Connecticut River Valley, all along I-84 west of Hartford. But in the higher elevations where you get above 1,000 feet, up near the Massachusetts line, that's where we're talking about. We might see some of that. And then as we head into the evening hours Monday, the showers are starting to wind down a little bit. So in terms of rain totals, we're expecting a ½ inch to an inch of rain out of this thing. And in terms of snow, believe it or not, we still have to use this thing. Most of us, of course, wouldn't get any. We're not even going to see a flake. But in the higher elevations where we have some of those wet snowflakes mixing in with the rain tomorrow during the morning, we could see perhaps a minor coating on the ground across the very highest elevations. Part of all of this has to do with temperatures. Today, I think we'll have a shot at seeing some low 50s out there if we're lucky. And then as we look towards tomorrow, I think it's just going to be a lot cooler. Enough cold air will have been dragged down on the backside of the storm system. The temperatures will probably be in the 40s. We might even have some temperatures kind of stuck in the 30s for a while across northeastern Connecticut during most of the day tomorrow. So in your early morning 7-day forecast, cool, rather wet at times weather is coming. We're seeing a few showers out there this morning. We'll see a lot more of them this afternoon and this evening, and then into tonight too. And that's when I think we'll actually even have some steady rain. And then that will be leading into tomorrow. And tomorrow too, I think we are going to see just scattered showers across the area. It's going to be cool tomorrow too, with temperatures only in the 40s along the shoreline. We might see some low 50s. Finally, on Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when we can catch a break out of all of this, and we'll see temperatures mild with partly sunny skies Tuesday and Wednesday, especially Wednesday with temperatures well into the 60s inland. And then another system comes in Thursday and Friday and gives us another round of some showers, if not some steady rain. In fact, I think Thursday we could see a little bit of a soaking rain for a while, especially later in the day Thursday or Thursday night.